Buddy, that joker right there is sticky.
Don't let it get on you. Watch your head.
Howdy, howdy everybody. Good morning. So this morning, it is a Tuesday morning at 7:43 a.m. Central Time. We had to go get us some breakfast. We gotta eat. Fat kids gotta eat. We're gonna get over to the shop here shortly. We gotta drop some breakfast off for the kiddos. And then we're gonna get over to the shop and get the listing, working on them audiobooks, shipping out the orders. Same thing, different day. Rinse, lather up, and repeat it the next day. So that's what we're doing. I don't know what else we're gonna do. You can't never tell. So y'all come with us and hang out with us today. I appreciate each and every one of you. And if you enjoy reselling type content, do us a favor and hit that subscribe button. We'd greatly appreciate it. And as well as a notification bell so you can know when we post a new video. We're trying to put out a video every day at 8 a.m. So yeah, we'll see y'all here shortly. Alrighty guys and gals, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 orders going out on eBay today, and let's go ahead and start with them. We sold some audiobooks, so let's go grab them first. We got to grab some Cheryl Woods and a Fern Michaels right here because I had it up yesterday. So these are two Cheryl Woods audiobooks, the Calamity Jane's Lauren and the Devani Brothers, but these ended up selling for $10.49 plus shipping. This is just one. It's 3 books in one audiobook from Fern Michaels. Got Vegas Rich, Vegas Heat, Vegas Sunrise, and this ended up selling for $6.26 plus shipping. Now we got to get 2 oil seals, 6426. Look in here and you say, oh my, oh my. Oh, here they are right here, look. So these are just 2 National Oil Seal brand oil seals from that big lot we got off Mercari. These 2 ended up selling for $9.09 plus shipping. Now we got to get 2 fillet knives on L5. Lord. So these right here are 2 American Angler commercial grade stainless steel German, and these ended up selling for $19.12 free shipping. Now we got the last order we got is a Xbox One game. This one right here, City Skylines Park Life Edition. See that right there? And this ended up selling for $20.95 plus shipping. So that is our orders going out today. Thank goodness it's not too many, because we still got all these to list and then them over there on the desk to list. So we got to get busy. Alrighty guys and gals, so we got these photographed, plus I don't know, she's put a bunch of them up. But all them that was stacked up over here, we've got photographed. Now we got to get us some more. Alrighty, so now that we got them over there that we had done photoed, now we've pulled out these different authors here. We got Lee Child, Mary Higgins Clark, Patricia Cornwell, and Tess Gerritsen. Did y'all see that fly? We're going to move all these over to the table and we're going to photo them as well before we start listing, and we'll break these up into littler lots. These will probably be 1 lot. This will be 2 lots, 1 lot, and probably 2 lots out of them. So let's do that real quick. But first I need to hang these jokers up. We got some of these eliminator fly ribbons, because that fly has been moseying around through here, buddy. I don't know where he went. Alrighty, so we're gonna hang these up, I guess, around here. We'll put one in kind of each corner. Yeah, 1, 2, 4 of them, and hopefully this won't look too white trashy, so y'all don't judge us. Ew.
I don't think you're supposed to undo that yet till after you hang it up.
How am I gonna hang it up?
Well, they give you a tack right there to use.
This? Oh, they do. That's cool. I mean, it's sticky, but
Then you just push it up into the...
oh, I'm gonna get all tangled up in this thing.
That's why you're not supposed to pull on it until it's hung up.
Well, if I pull it up before it's hung up, it'll pull the ceiling tile out the thing. Buddy, that joker right there is sticky.
Don't let it get on you. It's alright. Watch your head.
Oh my God, it's in my eye. Ah. Now I got fly pheromones all over me. I ain't never... God. Y'all got any on me?
Not that I see.
Oh, my face is sticky. I gotta go wash.
Might as well hang up the other another one before you go.
Titanic.
Really?
Man, these things are sticky. Every time I blink now, my eyes stick together. These things smell like caramel almost.
They come straight in. What you had?
I can't help it. We'll get these other ones done. We'll come back at you. I gotta wash. Alrighty, so I washed the best I could, and it is currently 9:35. This is how I easily get distracted. Super easy. We got that one hung and that one hung, but I just had a great idea. So these are for flies, but they're super sticky. This little booger over here. See, I got me a trap right there. He's coming out this hole. You see that pipe right there? Going in and out that hole, that's where he's coming out. But he's skirting my traps. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna undo this sticky thing and I'm gonna layer it across this pipe here. So if he comes out that hole and steps on that pipe, he gonna get entangled in this fly ribbon and he won't be able to pull this up in there. So I'll get him that way. I wish y'all could smell this thing. It smells like caramel. So, watch this. That little joker, he's had it now. There we go. There we go. So when he comes out that hole, got him. Right there.
Unless he comes out the other hole.
Yeah, unless he comes out that hole, which I don't know.
It's possible.
But I think that right there is going to get him. She's hard at work. Anyhow, we got to get back to it now. Man, my hands are sticky again. Alrighty, let's move this stuff over here. Alrighty, so once we get the things over here, we're going to photo all of them and then we'll start to list them later. But these audio books are fairly simple to do. We just gonna put them up here like this right here. Snap. It's always good to take your photos in square mode as well, if you can, because it works better with eBay's website. But we can throw these up here like this. Take a picture of them like that. Blam. Maybe get some close in. Flip them all over. Blam. Them's done, and then we do the same thing with all these. However, we're gonna list them. Like as far as lots go, like these would be one big lot here.
That's the same.
Nope, this will be two lots because see we got two of them, so we'll break this one up into two lots. So we'll do like this. These things are, like I say, super easy. And I think they're going to do real well as well. That's the hope. And then we'll just stick them up there. Try not to overthink them. You start overthinking stuff and you won't never get nothing done. Trust me, I know. And then I just snap random pictures of all these and then list them. This right here is the hardest part. It's having to sit here and do this. But I'd rather be sitting here doing this than sitting here doing this for somebody else. Alrighty guys and gals, so it is currently 3:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. And y'all can see here, the shelf is filling up quickly. We ended up getting 26 different lots listed up today, so that was wonderful. So 26 lots today. I mean, we still got a long ways to go though. So we got those and all these left. So I'm thinking after tomorrow will be the last day we have to mess with them. They'll be listed tomorrow. Fingers crossed. Hopefully they'll be listed tomorrow. That's the goal. Get them listed out tomorrow. And then once we get those listed tomorrow, if we can knock that out, then the following day, which will be Thursday, right? Yeah, Thursday we'll start on these bears right here and get them listed. And there's 59 of them, so it'll probably take 3 days to list them. That's gonna be the goal. Get all these listed up in 3 days. That'll push us from Thursday, Friday, and Saturday should be the last day listing these puppies. If there's any yard sales out on that day, we can go buy more. And we'll have everything listed up. We picked up the last yard sale except for a couple of little things, but anyhow, that's good. Good deal, good deal. So that's what we've been in here working on today. But we're gonna go ahead and shut this video off now. It's starting to thunder outside, I can hear it. And we're gonna go pick us up some dinner, go to the house, maybe get a haircut. I don't know what we're gonna do. But if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give us a great big thumbs up. And if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. And yeah, we'll see all you guys and gals tomorrow. See y'all.